So since the last time that we spoke, I have gotten really into Young Living products. And when I say really into, I mean it is serious. So my friend Natasha actually introduced me to Young Living. Like, I had always heard about oils, but I wasn't too aware of how or why or for what reason they would be used. So I had a call with her, she explained the whole thing, and I was immediately hooked. So I then went on to purchase a premium starter kit, they call it, that comes with a diffuser and a set of different like staple oils. After I received that, she definitely hooked me up with a bunch of other information and educational material, and that was wonderful. But I have to say, I did slow down a little bit after I received it. The only thing I was using it for was to diffuse and, you know, for my home to smell nice, and that was cool and all, but it wasn't really a big hook. But a few months ago, my son, who is now a year and a half old, got sick, and one of the things that I immediately went to, and you know, I said I need to contact my friend Natasha and see what she can tell me as to what I could do to get him feeling better. And so he was a few days kind of with a cold and had run a little bit of a fever, and you know, one of the things that I did was diffuse two of the oils that she recommended, which were lemon and thieves, throughout the whole house. And I don't know, call me crazy, but I feel like it definitely helped. My husband and I did not get sick. My son, he got better really quickly. I did use other medicines, of course, that the doctor recommended, but I felt like just the air was purified as a result of having these oils being diffused around the clock because you know, it's very difficult to keep up with cleaning everything all the time and purifying everything, especially after somebody has gotten sick, if you are also taking care of a 1-year-old. So it definitely helped out a lot, and I continued at that point to get another extra push towards what Young Living and all of these different oils were all about. About 3 months ago, I decided to sign up for this thing called Essential Rewards. Essential Rewards is like a subscription service that they have through Young Living, where you get products on a monthly basis, but you can it is automated in the sense that you get it every month and on a specific day that you choose, but it's not automated in that they give you whatever they want and you can't say what you want or don't want. So I go in every month and I pick the things that I want, and then they send me over the order. So today I have an order that I would love to share with you. So here it is, and let's unbox it together. Okay, I will start with all of the things that I purchased, but keep in mind that with Young Living, the more you buy, the more rewards you get. So one of the rewards that you get from buying into the Essential Rewards is that as you hit different levels of purchasing, as soon as you hit certain levels, they give you a freebie that goes along with that level. So I actually hit all of the different levels that were available this month, and I got a bunch of free stuff, and I'm gonna show you what I got now. So I don't know why but I got 2 frankincense. I swear to you, I think I only purchased one. I don't know if it was also included as one of the giveaways. I'm going to have to research into this, but I think that if it wasn't a giveaway, and I mean, I really don't think I purchased 2. I really do think I purchased 1, but I'm gonna have to look into that. The reason why I got frankincense is that I actually use it for a bunch of different things. So I put it in my diffuser at nighttime for, like, you know, relaxation. I use lavender, I use stress away, and I use frankincense every single night in my diffuser. At least that's what I do right now. I also put this inside my DIY body lotion that I do, which I absolutely love. It's the best body lotion that I've ever tried. Number one, it's very economic because I can keep on doing it. The ingredients are very clean, non-toxic, and I mean, everything that I put on it is really good for my skin as well, and I love it. I put it on every single day, and I really do enjoy it a lot. So I use it all around for skincare, for a bunch of different things. So I definitely needed that, and I'm so happy that I got two. The next thing that I got, I've heard really good things about, and it is Joy. So Joy is, from what I hear, you know, a emotional support type of oil. It smells really nice. I really like it a lot. I think I'm going to start off diffusing it at the very beginning and seeing how I like it that way, kind of, you know, a mellow tone. So this one I actually purchased because I got wrapped into the, you know, to the actual like fuss of it all. Sacred Mountain. I've heard it's also very good for emotional support. Now, it smells really nice. It's very type of woodsy, which of course, Sacred Mountain. And it smells like, I don't know, being out. It's really nice. And talking about being out in the woods, I got another one. This one is a 5 ml, and this is actually Northern Lights Black Spruce, and I've also heard a lot of good things about this one. That's nice as well. So definitely very woodsy as well. I really do like the outdoors. I don't like the bugs, so it's good that I could take the outdoors and bring it in here. And then I also got these last three. This first one is Peace and Calming. I've heard a lot of great things about this one as well. I definitely need a lot of peace and calming in my life, so I wanted to make sure to include that. Oh, I like this a lot. It smells to me a little bit more citrusy than the rest. The others are a little bit more woodsy, like I said, and this one's a little bit more citrusy. I also got 5 ml of Purification. I wanted to get this one in the 15, but it wasn't available. So I'm not sure why. It's only available in 5 ml, and I've heard this one is really good for purifying the air. I'm so excited to try it in the diffuser and to see if it really does clean out any other smell that's around. You know, I keep a diffuser here in my kitchen where I am currently filming, and I you know, cook a lot, and I do like to, you know, clean slate at the end of the night and come back into a fresh smelling kitchen in the morning. And so I'm very excited to put that one in the diffuser after everybody has gone to sleep, and I'm just cleaning up everything to make sure that the air is also clean for the next day as well. And then the last one that I purchased is Abundance. So Abundance, I've heard, is good for just that. So to bring about abundance, and let me tell you, I am seeking some abundance, and I can use all the help I can get. That smells really nice as well. I'm sorry I'm not giving any more descriptive smells descriptions. Then it smells really nice. I'm going to see and research how this is actually best to be used. If it's actually to just put it on, if it's to go ahead and diffuse it. And then I want to show you all of the things that actually, you know what, there's one more thing. So you know, my husband, he's not yet fully on board with all of the things that I've been trying to switch over into the natural side of things, like non-toxic. I did pick up for him this Shutron 3-in-1. So it's supposed to be for his hair, body, and face. And I am hoping that he really does love it and is, you know, kind of like the gateway into loving more things. So then, as a result of all of the things that I actually ordered, we did receive Thieves Toothpaste as one of the promos. So this I did get for free. Actually, the rest of the things that I'm going to show you I got for free. The Thieves Toothpaste I got, and I'm very excited to try this because we always use the same toothpaste. It's the Arm & Hammer one. Been using it for years and years, and to be quite honest, we have probably about 20 tubes of it left. But I was really curious to, you know, try this one, and I couldn't really justify ordering another tube of toothpaste knowing that we have so many here. So I'm very glad that we got this one included in the order for free, and so it gives me a chance to try it. Also, I do travel some for work, so it's very convenient for me to have something like this that does have only 2 ounces, because it goes through security easily in that sense. So I could put it in my travel bag and use it for that as well. But I promise you I will be using it here tonight. Next, I got for free a bottle of lavender, and this is a 15 ml, and I love this stuff. I included in, again, all things skincare that I use. I'm planning on including it in my body lotion again today, because I have to do another batch. And I'm very excited also to try for the first time patchouli. Now patchouli, I've heard, is really good for skincare, so I would really I'm really interested to put it in my face serum that I use. I already have one that I use right now, but I'm curious to just put a couple of drops of this already in there. One of the things that they included as a freebie is also geranium, so I am so excited to try this. Let me see. I've heard that it's like having a bouquet of flowers. Ooh, it's really nice. How many times I'm gonna say it's really nice? And then also I got a free blue cypress. I've heard that this is also very good for, you guessed it, skincare. Which is one of my guilty pleasures. Maybe it's not a guilty pleasure, it's just a pleasure. I love skincare. And then I don't know for what reason, because I definitely didn't see this being promoted at all, but I did get this, which is clove. I know that a lot of people use this to cook. I am not a fan of clove. Wow, but I really do like the smell. This reminds me of like the holidays, but like fall holidays, like Thanksgiving. You know, that type of fall season when the weather starts getting cooler and the leaves start turning. That's what this reminds me of. Maybe even the beginning of the season of Christmas and that December season. So I definitely love it a lot in terms of the actual smell. I'm not sure how much cooking I'll be doing with it, because honestly, I mean, I've never been a fan of actual clove, so. And then lastly, I don't know if I am the most excited about this, but I am definitely very excited because it's the charcoal bar soap. I've been struggling a lot with the transition over to a natural deodorant, and I've heard that if you use this in the shower, it helps a lot. So I am going to definitely give it a go and see if it does help with that transition. So these are all of the things I got in this month's ER order, Essential Rewards through Young Living. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Anya. I do a bunch of motherhood and lifestyle videos. I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.